Here are the newer style Unifan al120 by Lian. Still the same connection type where they just click in together and you can line up as many as 6 in a row, and you just need the one cable to connect it all. Now let's have a look at what it looks like. And that's it there. The Lian Unifan al120. There's a 140 in the back there. And 3 more up there. Not bad at all. Looks pretty good. I actually like these a lot better. I mean, I'm one that's into nice RGBs, so I wanted to get the ones that had a lot more shine to it. I mean, if you're going to go all out on RGB, you might as well go all out. Looking cool. Really, really cool.